healthy food and regular exercise, helping people become fit and realize their goals in her passion. So, along with workouts, Neha is also knowledgeable about various diets, programs, fitness, and and she tries to help people achieve their goal of how they want to be physically fit. Sneha also completed a graduation in computer science and engineering, so she's a very multi-talented person. So, Miss Sneha, you can take over and you can switch on your camera as well, and we can start. So if you want someone's camera to be on, you can let us know. If you want them to also turn on their camera.
Okay. So I think I will like to turn on the camera for everyone.
Okay. So whoever wants to turn on the camera can please message or raise their hand, and we will promote you to the panelist. If anyone wants to turn on their camera, please raise your hand, and we will promote you to panelist. Okay.
You can just raise your hands. There's an option of raising your hands, so you can just raise your hands if you have any queries, any concern, if you want to turn on your webcam. So, am I audible? You
Uh,
can just ping on the chat so that I
yes,
can
yes,
go ahead with the session.
yes, you are.
Okay.
You can start.
Yeah, I can start. So, as Gaurav has introduced me, so my name is Sneha and I am an IT professional. I'm a software engineer by profession and passion. I am a fitness and I'm a fitness influencer, fitness and wellness coach. Yeah. So, are you guys aware of what is the topic I'm gonna cover it today? Are you guys aware? You can just give me. You can just raise your hands, or you can just chat so that I can able to interact with all of you guys. Are you guys aware of the topic which I'm gonna cover today? The very interesting topic. Yeah, Syama. No? Yes? Okay. So the topic which I'll be covering today is intermittent fasting. So have you guys ever heard about intermittent fasting? Are you guys aware of this intermittent fasting? What is intermittent fasting? Okay, nice. Awesome. So I'm gonna share my screen and then I will go ahead one by one with the topics. So I'm already sharing my screen. You just let me know when my screen is visible for all of you guys. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, awesome. So, as you guys know about the topic is intermittent fasting. Okay, so the intermittent fasting has been popular from a few decades, and I will be telling you why it is so. So, yeah. So the first thing that I just want to mention about intermittent fasting is intermittent fasting is not a diet. Okay, you have heard about the keto diet, placebo diet. Yes, different types of diet. So the intermittent fasting is not a diet. It is just a eating pattern. Okay, so I'll be explaining you what this intermittent fasting. Okay, so in intermittent fasting we will be dividing our 24 hours into two phases. One is your eating window and the another one is your fasting window. So there are various type of intermittent fasting. So if you just see over the slide, I have just mentioned about the three of those. The first one is your 16 is to 8. This is the most common and the most popular intermittent fasting. And I'll be covering the 16 is to 8 diet in the upcoming slides. The other one is the 24-hour fasting. Generally in all the religion we follow this 24 hours fasting, right? Even in the Saturday, Tuesday fasting we do, that is our 24-hour fasting, that we won't be eating anything in the 24-hour fasting. And the other one is twice per week, where you will be eating your regular meals 5 days a week, and 2 days you will be having no you will not be having any proper meal, or you will be just having your very less calories, 500 to 600 calories. So I'll be explaining you the types of intermittent fasting in the upcoming slides as well. So it's nothing as the intermittent fasting has been, it has been there from a quite long time, even the time of the hunter and gatherers. So human has been evolved like a way that they can survive without food. As you guys already aware, in the ancient time we don't have supermarkets or anything. So in that time the hunter and gatherer just go there and just search out for the food. And there were some day where they are not getting any food. So the human body has been evolved that they will be able to survive even if they are not getting the food. And from here, the intermittent fasting has come into the picture. So, and the intermittent fasting is being, the fasting has been adapted from many of the religion as well, like your Hindu, in the Islam also we have this, in the even the spirituality also cover the fasting. So the first misconception I just want to break over here is the people get confused between fasting and starvation. Okay, so are you guys aware of what is fasting and starvation? Can you tell me, guys, what is the difference between fasting and starvation? Anyone? Okay. Yes, you are guys are aware of the difference between intermittent fasting and the starvation. What is the difference between these two? Okay. So my voice is very low. Is it low for everyone or it is just for Nazim? Okay, so I'll be okay, very clear. Okay. So yeah. So I was talking about the difference between the starvation and the fasting. So starvation means you are deprived of the nutrients. Okay. And the fasting is that you are not eating anything for a certain amount of time or certain period of time. So here this is your intermittent fasting. Okay, so don't get confused with the intermittent fasting with the starvation. You are not starving in the intermittent fasting, you will be eating in the intermittent fasting. As I mentioned before, that there will be two windows, one is eating window and another one will be your fasting window. So I'm going to the next slide. Okay, so here the intermittent fasting focus more on when you eat rather than what you eat. So so if you guys are aware of the different type of diet, fat diet and everything, they focus more on what you have to eat. But in intermittent fasting, we focus more on what you have, when you have to eat. The timing matters in the intermittent fasting. Okay, so as I mentioned that there will be two windows, eating and fasting windows. So it became very popular because the results were amazing and it helped many people to cure many diseases. Even intermittent fasting is being used to treat the cancer patient as well. Then and from the few decades it became very popular, and now I guess everyone who are fitness enthusiasts, they all are aware of the intermittent fasting, and in short form we just call it as IF. Okay, so in the next slide, I will explain you the types of intermittent fasting. Okay. Yeah. So I am talking about the three major popular types of intermittent fasting. As I mentioned you in the starting, the most famous and the most popular one is 16 is to 8, where the 16-hour will be your fasting window and 8-hour will be your eating window. Okay, and the next second one is 5 is to 2, where you just eat your regular meals for 5 days, and 2 days you will be eating very less calories, like 500 to 600 calories. And mostly people for these 2 days, they basically focus more on the fruits and veggies, because fruits and veggies are very low in calories, so they help us to survive during the day. So for the next 2 days they will be taking very less calories, like 500 to 600 calories. And the third one is your alternate day fasting, where you will be eating one day your regular meals and another day you will be having a very low calorie diet, like 500 to 600 calories. So do you guys have any doubt till here what I have covered with the types of intermittent fasting? You guys can just put a chat over here so that I can just go through that, and if you have any doubt I can clear that out. Any queries? Okay. So here I'll be talking about the most popular pattern, that is 16:8 pattern. Okay. So here how your pattern, how you used to follow, and where, what is the best time you have to take for this 8 hour of timing. Okay. So if you are the one who had never done any fasting, so I recommend to not start with a 16:8 first. You can start with a 12:12. That is our general fasting window and eating window, what we generally follow, right? In 24 hours, mostly 8 hours we go for the sleep. So here, if you are the one who has never done any fasting, so just go with a 12:12, and once you are comfortable with 12 hour fasting, then just increase is to 14 hours, and once you are comfortable, just go with a 16:8 hours. So the first thing here I wanted to mention, that in the 8 hours, it doesn't mean that you can just go and eat the processed food. So here, the in the 8 hour eating window, you have to eat home based food, the whole grain fruits, veggies, all the healthy stuffs. Okay, you don't, it's not like that in the 8 hours you are fasting for 16 hours, so now you can eat anything junk. No, it's better if you avoid junk as much as you can. So just try to have a high protein diet, include high fiber diet, good fat diet. So you have to follow the pattern. This is what we are just restricting ourselves. Okay, we are just restricting for the digestive system, so that our digestive system will take time to detoxify our body. Okay, because every time we eat, our digestive system used to work, right? It takes our 3 to 4 hours to digest the stuff which we have eaten. So here we are just restricting that, and how the intermittent fasting will be helping us to detoxification your body, and it will help you to be more focused. So I'll be explaining you the benefits of intermittent fasting in the upcoming slides as well. So I just want to give a pause and just wanted to know if you have any concern or any doubt. So okay, so the first question is, are intermittent fasting good for a 18-year girl? So I just recommend for the teenagers, I won't recommend to go with the eating intermittent fasting for 16:8. If you want to go for, you can go ahead with a 12:12 window. Okay, where you will be eating for 12 hours and you'll be fasting for the 12 hour. This is the most generic pattern which everyone follows mostly. So I guess I have answered this query. Okay, so you have any other queries or concern about what I have explained till here? Okay, eating for 12 hours means is what fasting I should do. Can you explain? Okay, so Mittal, what do you want me to explain again? Can you please specify that? What is your query? Jasmine, can we take fruit juice? I prefer to take fruits rather than fruit juice. Okay, so you can take fruit. I just recommend to go and have a seasonal fruit. Yeah, I'll be explaining you, Subrat. Okay, so here I just explain you about what things you will be including. So you can include whole food, you can include fruits and vegetables. So if you're asking me to go for a fruit juice or a whole fruit, I just recommend to go with the whole fruit, and that is regional and seasonal to your area where you're staying. So just try to include the regional and seasonal fruits and vegetable in your diet. Okay, you can have that. Okay. Uh, okay, I'm just taking your questions. Okay, eating for 12 hours means how you eat, right? So you suppose that you are the one who wake up at 8 a.m. So from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. you eat, right? You took your 3 meals, three larger meals and two snacks, right? This is how we follow, right? So 12 hour means eating means you just eat your stuff in the 12 hours, and 12 hour in the rest 12 hour you won't be eating any whole grain or any whole food. Okay, so I'll explaining you what you have to eat in the next 12 hours or in the fasting window. I'll be coming to that point. Okay, Mittal, you got your answer? Okay. And what fasting I said. So for okay. Yeah. Subrat, that's what I'm explaining you. So in the fasting window, you can have the beverages that is less than 20 calories. I'll be covering that topic in the next upcoming slide. Okay. Many years. Guys, you can start with the fasting. So I just recommend to go with, for you, just start with a 12:12 fasting. Fasting has no issue with your any infection. Okay, so you can start with a fasting of 12:12. And once you feel that you're comfortable in the 12:12, you can just increase your fasting window, and you can just extend it to 14 hours. It means in 14 hours will be your fasting window, and the rest will be your eating window. So you can start with that. Yeah, noobs, I will be covering that. Take chia seeds with milk after fasting. Okay. Yeah. So Jasmine, your question, Noob's question, and Subrat question, I'll be covering in the next slide. Okay. Hmm. Okay. If I eat less calories and I feel low in energy, then what to do? So you don't need to eat very less calories. So you have to be very conscious about your calories. So how much calories you are taking, it depends on your body type. So if you're taking very less calories, then it is for sure you are feeling very low energy. And if you're the one who has never done any dieting, because if you're just going for a fat loss and weight loss, you have to decrease your calories. So if you feel like your, suppose that your metabolic rate is 1500 calorie, it means that for to survive you for the whole day, you need 1500 calories. So try to decrease it by 200. Try to have like to 1300 to 1400 calories. And once you're comfortable, just decrease your calories. You don't need to decrease the calories at once. Okay. Chia seeds maybe become slow. Okay. I'll be taking all the rest question in the upcoming slide. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So here I will be covering the most of your queries. Okay. So what you have to eat and what you don't have to eat in the intermittent fasting window. So as I mentioned in the two windows, eating and fasting window. So in the fasting window, that you won't have to take any grains. Okay. What you can take over here is you can take the beverages which is less than 20 calories. Like you can take your plain water, hot water, black coffee, black tea, green coffee, green tea, lemon, hot water. You can consume these stuffs, the beverages which are less than 20 calories. And for the chia seeds also, so milk is not allowed in the intermittent fasting. Okay, so milk you can take in your eating window, not in the fasting window, because milk has more calories than 20. Okay, you can have chia seed, 1 spoon of chia seeds you can have with water or lemon. So you can have this. Okay. So here I will be covering that, your eating window and the fasting window. So as I already mentioned, in the eating window, you don't, it's not like that you are fasting for 16 hours. So in the 8 hours, you can eat junks and processed food. You have to take your home cooked food. You have to avoid the processed food like your white sugar, the refined sugar, refined flour. You have to just, remove it from your lifestyle if you want to become healthy. Suppose that if you're just doing intermittent fasting, okay, but your lifestyle is still poor, it won't give you any, you won't get benefited from the intermittent fasting as well. So apart from you just opted for the intermittent fasting, try to offer the healthy lifestyle and try to incorporate this healthy lifestyle pattern, like try to include whole grain fruit, try to include veggies, fruits, everything you can include. Just try to avoid the processed food in the eating window. And the fasting window, I already mentioned you that you can take the beverages where the calorie less than 20. So these are your options. So black coffee, black tea, green tea, plain water, hot water, plain water, lemon, 1 spoon chia seeds you can have. You can have coconut water as well. Okay. So this is all you need to know about the diet, the eating window and the fasting window. So till here, if you have any doubt, you can just raise it, because I believe I have answered all most of the queries. So you can ask me in the Q&A section, so I can just answer your queries there. So Jasmine, I've answered your question. Saurav, I've answered your question. Jasmine, Noops, I've answered. Subrata, also I've answered your question. Gayatri, yeah. Any other question? Okay, what about water fasting, ma'am? So water fasting is a different kind of fasting, and I don't recommend people to go with the water fasting, where you will be we're just taking a water, whole day water. But if you don't have any medical terms, medical condition, I cannot see it as a generic way, Gayatri, because there are many people who have allergies and whose body type are different. So I don't recommend to go with the water fasting. So in our Indian culture, in our Hindu culture, many of our fasting in which we just took water. So if it suit for your body, you can go for it. But otherwise, I won't recommend to go for it. It's not advisable. It's a generic one. Regular during regular diet, we can have tea or coffee. Yeah, you can. So Smita, you are talking about here the tea and coffee, the milk tea and coffee, right? If I'm not wrong. Smita. Okay, yes. Yeah, you can take the tea and coffee. But the best time to take the tea and coffee is your after your breakfast or in the evening snacks. Don't take tea or coffee early in the morning, the first thing in the morning. Okay. Yeah, Smita, I answer your queries. Can we have contents covered first and then questions? Okay. Yeah, I can do that. I have that question as well. Okay. So if you have any queries regarding the topics which I have covered, you can ask me. Otherwise, I have a question and answer series at the end where I can answer all of your queries. Okay, so whatever doubt you have there, I have covered the topic. So if you have doubt related to that, you can ask me here. Jasmine. Yeah, you can take this. Chia seed, I already mentioned, you can take chia seeds. With ginger and lemon, you can have it. Noops, the exercise, there are so many stretching exercise for the back pain, and today I'll be covering the intermittent fasting topic. The exercise topic is a different one, but for the lower back one, you can go with the basic stretching. There are so many stretching exercises like cow and dog stretching exercises. There are so many back extension exercises. You can just go for that. Jasmine, I already replied to your question. You can have that. And if you feel like the chia seed is not suiting you, we can just go with replace the chia seed with the basil seed. Okay. Guys, am I audible? Okay. Yeah. So I'll be covering how to start and what are the benefits of intermittent fasting. Okay. So there are so many research had been done on the intermittent fasting and the results were super amazing. This is the reason why intermittent fasting has become so popular in the few decades. So intermittent fasting has been used to just prevent the neuro diseases. It will help you to decrease the insulin level. So even the intermittent fasting has been used to cure diabetes 2 type patient as well. It has worked wonder for them. And the same way it will reduce the insulin level and lower the blood sugar level. It will reduce the risk of heart diseases. The cholesterol level will go decrease using that, and it will just make your metabolic rate fast, so that it will help you to give a boost to your fat loss and weight loss. There are so many researchers, and all of the things you are seeing in the slide are based on the results and based on the researches. Okay. So just as I mentioned before, there are so many diseases that has been cured, and they have given a very amazing result with the intermittent fasting. Cancer is the one of the thing, because, and this is also one of the reason intermittent fasting became so popular, because it has been used to treat cancer patient and the results were amazing. The type 2 diabetes, the heart disease, obesity, your premature, that it will help you to increase the lifespan as well. And it's not just intermittent fasting. If you just opt for intermittent fasting along with the healthy lifestyle, for sure your health the lifespan will be increasing. Okay. So these are the some of the diseases that has a tremendous result on the intermittent fasting. Okay. So now the most common questions that what the intermittent fasting is right for you or not. Okay, so the first topic I will be covering over here is your, if you have a healthy relationship with food. So as I mentioned that if you are having intermittent fasting, so you have to go with the healthy food option. It's not like that you can go and eat junk and processed food. And the next thing is, there's there are some mistakes I'll be covering in intermittent fasting as well. So there are some people, if you just yeah, in a Hindu we have this Dashara where the people fast for 10 days, and after they just resume the normal diet, they used to put a lot of weight. You must have seen people like that. So what happened with that people, that they think that okay, I have been not eating for from last 10 days, now I'll be eating more. And here this is the same thing what happened with the intermittent fasting. So if you're just breaking the intermittent fasting, people used to eat a lot at a time. So suppose that I am doing intermittent fasting, I'm doing 16 hours of fast, okay, I now that is my eating window, I will be starting my eating window. So it's not like that you have to start eating the complete meal. So suppose that you will be doing fasting for 16 hours, so your body is in rest and your digestive system is in rest. Now you are just waking your body up with lot many food, right? So the first thing, it will give you bloating, it will give you the digestion disorder. So don't do that. If you are able to control your eating, control your fasting, okay, so you can just go for the intermittent fasting. So how you have to start your intermittent fasting wala pattern, the eating window, you have to start it with any fruit, any regional seasonal fruit or any dry fruits, and then after 30 minutes you can take your meal. Okay, this is the biggest mistake I have seen people doing, and the results, they are not getting what they are expecting from intermittent fasting. Okay, so not it's just the intermittent fasting, if you're doing any fasting, don't try to break the eating pattern, eating window with a heavy meal. Try to have soaked almonds, soaked raisins, or any seasonal regional fruit, and after 30 to 45 minutes you can have your proper meal. Okay, and yeah, so even in the studies have been seen that it will help you to just be more focused and productive. So it has happened with some of the people, they are fasting, they are seen that they have become more productive. That it means you can go for the intermittent fasting, you're in good health, it means you don't have any pre-existing diseases and stress level. So if there is a connection between stress level and the healthy lifestyle, if you have a very stressful life, you're taking a lot many stress, and if you're doing any intermittent fasting and healthy eating, it won't help you really. So you have to manage your stress. And yeah, the people who have to avoid this intermittent fasting is you have a history of disordered eating, like diabetes. Okay, so if you have diabetes, you want to go for the intermittent fasting, I recommend to go with the 12 is to 12-hour fasting. And in the diabetes and all, you have to take some medicines as well. So I highly recommend to first interact with your doctor with whom you are consulting for diabetes, and then go for it. And the disorder eating will cover your gastric patient, the acidity one also, it will be covering it. It won't be helpful for the pregnant woman, or pregnant woman, I don't recommend to go with it. And even for the teenager also, so teenager, pregnant woman, the diabetes, gastric patient, try to avoid it. And if you want to go, just go with the 12 to 12 hour. And if you want to increase it, just consult with your concerned doctor. Okay, and yeah, that's the thing which I already mentioned, that you overeat once you break the fast. So if you are the one who used to overeat once you break the fast, you can just change your this habit. This is very, usual, you can just change it. Instead of having a proper meal in the first thing in the eating pattern, you can just opt for the any fruit, any fruit, just like regional and seasonal fruit, or you can go with a handful of dry fruits as well. Even both of them work wonders. Yeah, and if you have any hormonal issues like thyroid, diabetes, PCOS, there are so many hormonal disorders, you have to consult your doctor. And again, stress. So you have to avoid the stress. And if you are one, you are going through lot many stuffs in your life and have a lot many stress, then it is not recommended to go with the intermittent fasting. So I have covered, and now the most interesting topic I'll be covering, that why you should try intermittent fasting. So I have just mentioned you who can do the intermittent fasting and who not, and now why you have to try the intermittent fasting. And I already given you the option. If you are the one you had never done an intermittent fasting, you can start with a 12 is to 12 intermittent fasting. That is 12-hour eating window and 12-hour fasting window. So you can start with that, and it works for all type of people. Okay, so the first point I'll be covering over here is it's easy to stick with for the long run because you don't have to follow a specific diet. As I mentioned before, that intermittent fasting focus more on when you eat rather than what you eat. But what you eat, it doesn't mean that you can eat anything, but you can have your regular meals. either your homemade food like chapati, rice, sabzi, legumes, your non-veg, you can have it. So it is just you have to take your regular meal. Okay, now why it become very popular? Because so for fat loss and weight loss, you have to be in a calorie deficit. Okay, and the intermittent fasting is the best thing because you will be having a particular period for eating, right? The eating window, and you will be eating in that particular window. So in 8 hours or 10 hours, you can't eat so much, right? So this is how your intermittent fasting will help you, and it promote the fat loss and weight loss by default, because in the intermittent fasting your time is constrained and you will be for sure going in the calorie deficit diet. Okay, so the health benefits I already mentioned in the previous slide, where it will be helping you with the weight loss, your blood sugar level, your cholesterol, the inflammation, and many research has proven also that intermittent fasting help us for your more focus. It will help you to become more productive, more focused, and apart from this, it is very helpful for your skin and even for your hair as well. So you can just try it out. And yeah, so here so if you just follow any, so apart from the intermittent fasting, if you just go with a keto diet or any fat diet, which I never recommend with a fat diet like military diet or fruit diet, so here you need to be very countable for the calories. In intermittent fasting, it is for sure that you will be in the calorie deficit because you have limited constant of the time where you will be eating. So for by default, you don't have to track your calories every time. And yeah, and here you don't have to okay always think, okay, what I have to eat next, because you'll be eating for the less time, and here is allowed to have your regular meal, so you can have your regular meal over here. So these are the benefits which I suggest that you definitely should try with the intermittent fasting. Okay, yeah, can we eat rice while eating time? Yeah, you can have rice. I already mentioned that you can have your regular meal, but instead of having a white rice, try to include brown rice. So because brown rice is a complex carbs and it has more benefit than your normal white rice. Yeah, you can do fasting every time. So I already mentioned you can start with a 12 is to 12 hour fasting, and if you're comfortable, then you can just increase the fasting window from 12 to 14. Yeah, you can do it every day. There are many people who are doing from years. Even I am the one who are doing intermittent fasting from a quite long time. So you have seen people that doing, if you just go and search about, there are many nutritionists and many influencer here, and the person who used to do intermittent fasting from years, and they are continuing the intermittent fasting. So even you can do it. And if you're not comfortable with the 16 is to 8, you can just start with a 12 is to 12. This is what I am just repeating from the first slide, I believe. Yeah, why not? Why? Yeah, it is mandatory to do exercise along with intermittent fasting. Yeah, you should do exercise. So diet will also help you to lose weight, but what's the benefit if you're doing it for exercise as well? So if you're the one who don't get time to go for the gym or anything, just stick to the basic and try to have at least 10k steps. Walk 10k steps. It is more than sufficient. If you don't have time to go for the gym or yoga classes or Zumba classes, you can just go with 10k steps along with a healthy diet. That works wonders. Okay. Okay, so can we just fast having fruits only? I don't recommend to just fast with fruits. Fruits are having just carbs. Your body need a whole balanced diet, right? Your body need protein, your body need fat, your body need minerals, your body need fiber. So I never suggest to go only for the fruit. Try to include fruit as a snack, morning or evening snacks, but don't just rely on the fruit. Okay, I never recommend to go with a fruit because fruit is not a complete meal or complete diet. So try to follow a balanced diet. Yeah, you can have banana, you can have one banana every day. Mittal maximum time, it depends on, there are many people who just just do fasting for 18 hours as well, but 16 is to 8 is the most popular and most recommended one. And the extension, it depends on you. You can just try for 10 days, 15 days, and if you feel like you're comfortable, you can go ahead. There is no time constraint for the fasting one. Or we'll leave if you put on weight. If in 1 week we can take 4 days or all days if you have eaten. So I mentioned, Jasmine, there are different types of intermittent fasting. So the 16 is to 1, 16 is to 8 that you can reduce is to 12 is to 12. You can do it for all the days. And if you're the one who can just go over the 5 is to 2, where you can have 5 days your regular meal and 2 days less calorie diet, you can go for that as well. Okay. So you can there I just discussed three types of intermittent fasting. You can either opt for anyone in which you are comfortable. Yeah, basil seed or sabja seed, they are good. They have the same nutrients as your chia seeds, Smita. Okay, I have covered most of the queries. Okay, so now I'll be moving to the next slide. No, if you leave intermittent fasting, you don't put on your weight. If you are eating your intermittent fasting in a calorie deficit and eating healthy diet, you won't get your weight back. Okay, so there are some mistakes which I just want to cover as part of intermittent fasting, because there are so many people, I get so many DMs that I am doing intermittent fasting, but my results are not as expected. I am not losing weight. So here are the some common mistakes I will be covering, and I just want all of you to just take note of this because it's very important if I just want to go with the intermittent fasting. The first one is jumping in too fast. As I already mentioned, if you are the one who have never done any fasting for 6 months to 8, try to be slow. Try to start it with a gradual process where you will be starting with a 12 is to 12. That is the most generic one. And if you're comfortable, you can just go ahead with a 14-hour fasting window, and then you can just switch to 16 is to 8. Just be gradual, okay? Don't jump in too fast. Like, don't directly go with a 16 is to 8. This is what the first point is all about. Wrong plan for your lifestyle, okay? Suppose that for the intermittent fasting, as I already mentioned, you need to divide your 24 hours into two patterns, okay? One is the eating window and the fasting window. So the eating window should be your prime time where you do the maximum activity. So if I just give you my example, my prime time is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. is my prime time, because this is a time where I do most of the activities. So you have to be very careful while opting for your eating window and your fasting window. Try to choose your eating window time based on your prime time, what time you are suitable and what time you are most active and most prime time. So don't try to copy the eating pattern. Okay, my friend is doing that, I will be following it. Don't, just try to listen to your body, your activity, and try to offer that. Okay, eating too much during eating window, I already mentioned it. There are so many people you see, if you just go for fasting, they just, if they want to eat the break the fasting window, just they eat a lot of stuffs together. You don't have to do it. Just try to have a handful of dry fruits or fruit, and then after 30 or 45 minutes, just try to have your proper meal. Even you will see the people who, even suppose that I know that, okay, now suppose that my eating window is from 11 to 7. Now I know that from after 7 p.m. I won't be taking any food. So it's not like that at the starting of the eating window, at the end of the eating window, you have to eat more. It's not like that, because you will be doing fasting. It's not like that you can eat a lot many diet together. So this is the most common mistake that people do, and they just complain, okay, I am not losing weight even after doing the intermittent fasting. And even it is not beneficial for you. If you're eating a lot at a time, it will give you bloating, it will give you digestion disorder. So this is not allowed. You have to be in moderation. Okay. Okay, this is a question, eating too little during eating window. So there are so many people who, what they do, in even someone has asked in the chat as well, can we do with a water fasting, and can we just have what, can we have just fruit? That is a military diet. I won't recommend to go with that. The first thing that you are doing intermittent fasting, it means you are just restricting yourself with a diet, and now in that also you are taking too little calories. It won't be sustainable. Okay, so that if you are going for the intermittent fasting and you are just taking fruits, Fruits have just carbs and fiber. It is not sufficient. You just give it, you just I think maximum people can follow it for 3 or 4 days. It is not sustainable. Just try to offer that diet that is sustainable. And this is the best part of intermittent fasting. As intermittent fasting, you will be having a proper meal, your proper balanced diet. Okay, so it's not like that. Don't mix it with any fat diet. Okay, just like military diet, water diet, just don't do it. Okay, just try to have your proper balanced meal, home food meal. Okay, yeah, ignoring the what in favor of when. So there are many people. So when I just say that, okay, you have to just focus on when you have to eat, they will just ignore the what part. They will just eat the processed food. Even in the intermittent fasting, the eating window, you don't have to do it. If you just eat your junk food, you will never lose weight, and that the weight is not sustainable. So just try to lose weight in a sustainable way so that it won't bounce back. And this is the most common mistake people do nowadays. They just go for the fat diet or any diet, and once they just, because in the lifetime you cannot your fat diet are not sustainable, you cannot offer it for the lifetime, right? You want your proper meal. You cannot go with the fruit diet for like for a lifetime, and in the, even the junk. So just try to have incorporate this healthy lifestyle and healthy eating habits actually. Okay, and not drinking enough water. So this is the most common thing I have heard people, even in the winter time. So in the winter time, actually we feel like we are hungry, but actually we were thirsty. Okay, so don't get confused with your thirst with your hunger. Okay, just try to have a proper intake of water, at least 3 to 4 liters of water. If you're the one you just forget to have water, there are so many apps available in the market. You can just download and put a timer, a reminder to have your water. So I don't think so I need to explain you the water, what are the benefits of having water, right? It has a lot many options. And the people can stay, the people can stay without food, but they can't stay without water. Water is so much important than your food. So don't just do all this stuff, but don't try to dehydrate yourself. Just try to have a 3 to 4 liters of water every day. And if you don't want to have it, just have a tracker, reminder. There are so many apps, and with the help of that you can have a track of your proper water. Okay, so these are the most common mistakes which I have covered that people do in the intermittent fasting. Okay, so this is I will say a dummy pattern, so you can just offer it. So here I just mentioned about 12 to 2 hours. This is just a dummy pattern. Okay, how you can just plan, this is just a dummy one. You can just switch to it better with based on your prime time. Okay, so suppose that for the 12-hour fasting, which is the basic fasting which we are doing it from our birth. So this is what 12-hour fast. So you can just do like that. 7 a.m. you can have first meal. 10 a.m. you can have your first snacks. 12 p.m. you have your meal. 3 p.m. you have your snacks, and 7 p.m. you have meal. So here if you just see here, this is the normal pattern which we follow, right? The eating in a smaller patterns, and you're just breaking your eating pattern. So here if you just see, we have 3 proper meals and 2 snacks. These are 12-hour fasting. So here is the 18 is to 6 pattern. So here 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. I will be just giving an example. I'm considering it as a fasting pattern. And here if you just see, I have 3 meals, like 12 p.m. I have 1 meal, and then the snacks, 1 meal and 2 meal. So you can just offer it. There are so many people who just like to have a heavy meal at once. So if you're just breaking your fasting window, you just break the fasting window, any fruit, and you can have your heavy meal. And there are so many people who just want to break that heavy meal into 2 smaller meals. So you can just plan it how it works for you, because every body in every culture has a different eating pattern. So you can just adjust yourself. This is the best thing about intermittent fasting. And this is like 18-hour fasting. So someone has asked me about, there are so many windows. Yeah, this 18-hour fasting window, I would recommend to go with this, because this is very extend, and there are many people like sadhus and baba, they offer it, but I don't recommend to go with the 18 hours of pattern. Just go with the 16-hour of fast.
Sorry to intervene, Ms. Neha. I just wanted to say, if anyone wants a customized diet for them, they can always take Ms. Neha's paid session which is,
Yes.
so she will give you a diet according to your body and according to your liking. So she will help you with that. So that's also on Sparklight. I will share that link on our WhatsApp, on the WhatsApp group. Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, Gaurav, we are right. So the diet which I'll be giving based on your body type, based on your preferences, there are so many people who are from South, so the diet preference will be different for them. We are North Indian, they are vegetarians, they are vegans, they are people who are lactose intolerant. So for everyone, we had a different pattern, and this is how you have seen there are so many diet available on the market, but the same diet won't suit everyone. So this is how your body type, your existing diseases, your pattern, your culture, everything will come into the picture where you're just designing your diet plan. Yeah. So this, I just give you a dummy plan how it works. You can just plan it accordingly, the fasting and eating window. Okay. So this is the most common thing. You can just follow it. So how people plan the fasting. Okay. How you can just, this will help you to just decide your prime time. Prime time here, I'm just referring here is your eating window. So mostly we already know that in the fasting period we obviously we will be sleeping or we'll be waking up. So in the, if you're one, so you can just plan it like that. So I am the one who can skip breakfast, but I cannot skip dinner. So I have kept my intermittent fasting window like 11 to 7 so that I can have my dinner. So there are many people who want to have breakfast. For them breakfast matters a lot though, so they can start with the fasting with 8 a.m. This is how you plan. So the fasting window, as I already mentioned, you can have your black tea, black coffee, water, coconut water, you can have all this. So the fasting pattern will be your wake up time. So this is how the people follow. So there are so many people who just they wake up, they don't want to eat anything. So this is how it works. So here I just taking this example where the eating period is 12 to 8 p.m. This is the most uh would I say most major eating pattern, eating period where the most prime time is 12 is to 8. So I'm not talking about the people who are having night shifts, so they can just plan it like that. This is the most prime time where the people used to follow 12 is to 8 p.m. So you are, if you're the one you don't want to skip breakfast and the breakfast plays a major role for you, so then you can just shift your eating period. And the person who like me, I cannot skip my dinner, so for me this eating period works. And as I already mentioned, you have to take healthy healthy and proper meal during your eating period also. So I just gave you this overview of how it works. Okay, so this is what I'm sharing you guys. So this was me before. So I, as Gaurav already mentioned, so I have been associated with this industry for more than 4+ years, and this is how I started my journey 4 years back. So if you see my pictures, how I was before and now how I am. So if I can do, guys, even no everyone can do. So this is just for give a motivation that if a person like me can do overweight, and if I can able to do that, to anyone in the world can do it. Yeah. So your favorite topic part, question and answer. So you can ask me any queries if you have regarding anything. Yeah, I am open to your queries. You can ask me queries on your chat as well. I can just answer your queries. And okay, I have question answer series. Okay. Okay, fast recap, Ashwarya. Okay. 6 to 8 for 1 month. So Ashwarya, can you please be specific? What is this 6 to 8 for 1 month? Can you just be specific so that I can answer your query? Ashwarya Sejpal, you can be more specific because I can able to see 6 to 8 and for 1 month. So is it what you're asking that you can do the intermittent fasting for 1 month? So you can do intermittent fasting with 1 month. There are many people who are doing it for years and they are continuing the intermittent fasting. So there is no constraint as such. And I think 6 to 8 is a prime time, I believe. So prime time you can opt for yourself. So based on your timing, based on the major time when you are more active and you have more activities, you can opt for that. That will be your prime time. So actually, you can be more specific about what you are trying to ask, so that I can answer your query. Be specific.
She's saying she wants to lose 10 kgs. That,
Okay. Okay. So you want to lose 10 kg.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is a Aishwarya. The question that you want to lose 10 kg or it
Yeah,
is for.
Aishwarya's question.
Okay. Okay. I want to lose 10 kilo. Can I do for 1 month? Yeah. Yeah. Why not, Aishwarya? There's so many people who. So Aishwarya, are you overweight? So I cannot tell you about the weight and all. So I think you are saying that you are 10 kg overweight. So you want to lose it. So Aishwarya, for sure you can just try that intermittent fasting. And in the intermittent fasting, just try to include the diet that is being healthy diet and along with the healthy lifestyle. Okay, just opt for it. Yeah, you can try for 1 month. You can give it a try for 1 month, and I am sure that you will be feeling the difference because I am the one who is doing intermittent fasting and I'm continuing it for months. So you will be feeling amazing. There will be no bloating, your skin glows, your hair will grow. So you will see a lot many difference along with the fat loss and weight loss. So I think you have to give it a try, and you should as well. And so if you're the one who has never done intermittent fasting, so you can start with a 12 is to 12 for like 1 week, and once you're comfortable, just increase your fasting window. This is what I can recommend for you, Aishwarya. Okay. Um
There are 3 4 more questions on the chat.
yeah. I'm just going through that. Okay. Shall I take a break after 1 month if I lost less than good? So Aishwarya, so see, if I just recommend you for the break thing, you can just give it a break. So we have so many things, like we have parties, there are so many things. So we sometimes that you won't continue for a 1 month, like you have 1 or 2 days gap. So you have don't take stress. Okay, if you're doing or if you're planning for to go for the 1 month and in 1 or 2 days something happens or not feeling well or you're traveling, then it's life, right? So you just don't take stress and try to do it how much you can do. Not you will lose 10 kilo, because it is not just the intermittent fasting, Ashwarya. There are so many things along with the intermittent fasting, along with your healthy lifestyle, what you are eating, when you are eating. There are so many things happen with the intermittent fasting. So you can lose 10 kilos. Not, I think my question was after. After 10 kg, you can go for the maintenance diet, right? You can just go with a maintenance diet where you will be having a proper diet, and if you feel like you are more comfortable in intermittent fasting, you can continue. Otherwise you can just decrease your fasting window. So this is how it works. So suppose that if you want to lose weight and you want to give it a restriction, you can go with a 16 to 8. And you, if you feel okay, I already lose my weight and I just want to maintain, you can increase your intermittent fasting window from 16 to 14 or 12. Anything works. Yeah. Okay. Jasmine, I get headache in fasting. Okay, Jasmine. So I'll tell you one thing here. So suppose that from okay, since we have ages like 24, 25, so I'm giving you my example. So in 24, 25 years, we are not doing any fasting because I'm the one, I've never done any fasting, okay, before intermittent fasting. So how I have started and why I am more focusing on this 12 to 12 part, because 12 to 12 is the most generic one which most of us follow, right? Just try to go with a 12 to 12 hour fasting. That is what we follow, right? If you wake up in the 8 a.m. morning, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. you just have your meal, and then rest of the time, if you're feeling hungry or if you feel to have something, you can have your black tea, black coffee, green tea, or hot water, lemon will work, coconut water will work. And if you feel that now you're comfortable, just try to increase your fasting window by 1 hour or 1.5 hour, so that your body will adapt, your body will gradually adapt it and you won't feel like headache. So here, don't get confused with the fasting thing that you will be eating in fasting window. It's not like that I'm not giving you anything to eat, or it's not like we are not restricting. This is the best part of the intermittent fasting. You will be taking your meals. Okay, so just go off with the 12 to 12 and then try to increase this is what I can suggest for everyone. Diet and fasting window for a day. Gayatri, that okay, you want me to share my diet? So I already gave you a dummy diet. So if you are the one you just starting with your diet, so you can just start your eating window with your soaked almonds, 5 soaked almonds. So it can be very specific, guys, because I don't know your height, weight, or your age, or your everything. So I just giving an overview, just a dummy dummy diet, I would say. Okay, so you can just start your eating window with 5 soaked almonds or 5 soaked raisins, or any regional seasonal fruit. You can opt for an apple, or you can opt for orange, you can opt for mango, any regional seasonal fruit you are getting. After 30-45 minutes, you have your meal. Like meal in the sense, if you are South Indians who to prefer curry and all, so if you are one, you just need to have your paratha, rice, and also you can have your proper meal, the rice, salad, your non-vegetarian eggs. So you have to take your proper meals, and then how it works, and then you can go for the snacks. And don't forget to include snacks as well. So otherwise, if you just skip your snacks, you will be overeating your meal. So this is one of the major point that people skip. They don't have the snacks in between the meals. So have your snack and then you go for the meal. And I would recommend to, when you are eating, when you're starting your eating window, or when you are just going to that fasting window, don't overeat. Just have your proper meal in a moderation. This is how your diet should plan for the intermittent fasting. Okay, I have given you the answer, Gayatri. Jasmine, I given yours. Basil seeds are subja seed. Yeah, basil seed or subja seed. Basil seeds are your tulsi leaf seed actually, and basil seeds are more cheaper, and it is, you will get it in India as well, because tulsi, there's a basil seeds are the tulsi leaves. What you eat for losing weight? Sure, okay. Jasmine, I already said, so there is nothing else. There is not a proper food that you can say this is a weight loss food. Nothing else. So you have to eat in moderation a healthy food, whole food. Just like your, just try to avoid processed food. Just try to include veggies. Okay, veggies and fruit that are that are now in market, that are in your region and season. Okay. Okay, if you want to take some sweets, I just recommend to just prepare some of the sweet options. Okay, some just try to, instead of sweet, if you can have your fruit, right? You can have a fruit, you can have dates. Okay, you can have a home cooked porridge. There are so many options healthy. I just opt for it. And in a month, you can go for sweet as well. In a month, if you're a cheat day, you can go for one. But try to avoid sweet. And if you want, you're feeling like want some sweet, just go for a fruit or dates or dark chocolate as well. Even you can opt for that. Akansha, could you please repeat the time ratio again? So Akansha, there are different types of time ratio here. So they are, the most famous is 16 is to 8. 16 is to 8 means 16 is your fasting window, 8 is your eating window. Okay, this is the most famous and the most popular intermittent diet pattern. No, you won't put your weight back. Can you say 5-day meal plan of South Indian with weight loss recipe? Jasmine, for to customize your diet, I think you can contact with the Gaurav. Gaurav, can you help Jasmine with that consultation, please?
Yeah, yes, I will share the link with on the group with them. Yes, I'll do that.
Okay. Yeah, so any queries, any concern you guys have? And guys, this, if you have any concern, any kind of, Gaurav is there for help you out. And even you, if you can just follow me in my Instagram, that is Food Fitness Tarka, and this Facebook page as well. I will be happy to help you with your queries. And for the customized diet plan based on your preference, weight loss, fat loss, and maintenance, Gaurav will be sharing you the consultation thing. You can just contact with Gaurav. And if you have any queries, you can just ping me. I'm here then. Okay. Ma'am, if I want to have some sweets, how to manage? Gayatri, I already answered your queries. So there are so many healthy options. You can just opt for it and just try to cook anything. You can just go with the custard as well. Custard is a good option if you want to have something sweet. So any other queries, any other concern, guys? If you have any concern, you can just follow me on my Instagram and you can just contact me there as well. I will be able to help you there, and I will love to help you guys.
Thank you, Miss Neha. It was a great session. It was great to see your transformation as well, what you've gone through. So thank
Yeah.
you. It was very nice. And if anyone wants to take a paid session and wants to see the transformation in them, please
Yeah.
do book. I will share the link on the WhatsApp group. And
Okay.
thank you everyone. It was really
Yeah. Okay.
wonderful to have you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, guys, take care of yourself. I'll meet you. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.